Captivating 3-bedroom, 2-bath modular ranch on over half an acre in desirable Davidson County. This home was originally the model home, so you will get to enjoy those great upgrades. Impeccable open floor plan with lots of natural light throughout. Living room with ceiling fan is open to the kitchen with eat-at island, plenty of cabinets, smooth top range, vent hood and dishwasher. Spacious primary bedroom with ceiling fan, and the roomy closet has double doors to primary bath with built-in cabinet. 2 additional bedrooms share a hall bath. Updates include luxury vinyl flooring and interior paint. Vinyl siding makes for low maintenance. Huge deck for outdoor entertaining and partial privacy fence in back of the home. CPI alarm system with cameras conveys with the property.